Hello and welcome to Complete Agriculture. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how apple juice is made in factory. Apple juice production process starting from apple harvesting and ending with the bottling of the juice. Watch till the end and trust me, you'll enjoy how apple juice production process is happened. Apple juice is a popular beverage that is enjoyed by the millions of people all over the world. The process of making apple juice involves several stages. So, have you ever wondered how the delicious glass of apple juice you enjoy every morning is made? Well, wonder no more. In this video, we are going to take you to the journey through the apple juice production process. Starting from the apple harvesting and ending with the bottling of the juice. In this video, we'll make you detailed look how the apple juice is made in a factory. Making apple juice involves several stages like apple harvesting, then apple sorting and cleaning, the crushing and pressing the apple, then the apple juice extraction, then the clarification and filtration of apple juice, then pasteurization, then blending, then the bottling of the apple juice, then the packaging. After that, the quality control of apple juice, then the storage and distribution. All are stages involved in this video, so keep watching till the end. The first step is making apple juice is harvesting the apples from the apple tree. Apples are usually harvested in the fall when they are ripe and ready to picking. The harvesting process is done using the variety of methods including hand picking, mechanical harvesting, and shaking. Hand picking is the most common method for harvesting apple, and it involves using ladder and basket to pick the fruit from the trees. The fruit should be picked at the proper stage of maturity for preparation of juice. The flavor, sugar content, and the peptide levels of the juice will be vary with the maturity of the fruit. Ideally, fruit should have been picked when fully ripe with the dark brown seeds and no residual starch at the detecting by an iron test. Fruit which is picked slightly under ripe for a dessert market or for full controlled atmosphere storage should therefore be allowed to mature few days at ambient temperature before pressing. Once the apples have been harvested, they are transported to the factory for sorting and cleaning. The apples are first sorted to remove any damaged or bruised fruit. The sorted apples are then washed to remove any dirt, debris, or pesticides that may be on the surface of the fruit. The washing process is usually done using large tanks of water that are filled with cleaning solution. Then the crushing and pressing. After the apples have been sorted and cleaned, they are crushed and pressed to extract the juice. The The crushing and pressing process can be done using either a mechanical press or a hydraulic press. The mechanical press uses a rotting drum with teeth that crush the apples, while a hydraulic press using pressure to extract the juice. Then the next step is the juice extraction. The next step is making apple juice is extracting the juice from the crushed and pressed apple. The juice extraction process is usually done using a large centrifuge that separates the juice from the pulp and other solids. The centrifuge spins the high speed. The centrifuge spins at high speeds, causing the heavier solids to settle at the bottom and the lighter juice is to rise on the top. This is how the juice extraction process is done. Then the clarification and the filtration. After the juice has been extracted, it is clarified and filtered to remove any impurities or solids that may be presented in the liquids. The clarification process involves adding enzymes to the juice that break down any remaining solid and impurities. The filtered juice is then passed through a series of filters that remove any remaining particle and impurities. Then the pasteurization. The next step is making apple juice is pasteurization. Pasteurization is the process of heating the juice to kill any bacteria or microorganisms that may be presented. The juice is usually heated to the temperature of around 160°F for a few seconds before being cooled down. Then the blending. After pasteurization, the juice is blended to achieve the desired taste and consistency. The blending involves mixing different batches of juice together to create consistent product. The juice blending process is usually done using large tank that can hold thousands of gallons of juice. Then the packaging and bottling. Once the apple juice have been blended, it is ready for bottling. Bottling process involves filling the juice into the bottles, cans and cantons. Depending on the packaging chosen by the manufacturer, the bottles are usually made glass and plastic, are filled with automated machine that measure and fill correct amount of juice into each bottle. Packaging. After the juice is bottled, it is packaged for the distribution. The packaging process involves labeling the bottle can with product name, nutrition information and the other relevant details. The packaging usually done using automated machine that can package hundreds of thousands of bottles per minute. Then the quality control. Throughout the entire process of making apple juice, quality control is the critical factor. The juice is regularly tested for quality and safety to ensure that it meets a standard set by regulatory agency. The test includes checking for the presence for bacteria, yeast and other microorganisms that could cause spoils and illness. Once the apple juice has been packaged and quality tested, it is stored in a warehouse before being distributed to retailer and supermarket. The juice is usually stored in temperature control room to maintain its freshness and quality. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy learning about how apple juice is made. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative video like this one. Please subscribe Complete Agriculture YouTube channel, and there's a lots of effort to make this one video and just need 1 second to subscribe. So please do share and subscribe.